to the market again, traipsing through the stores of gobby fellas with pengen on stubble. Armani, New Balance, Bulgari, hanging off a coat hanger, moth tune juggling. No palmies, no malice, no Arnie. In the market again, both fellas shouting out 2 for a tenner. Plastic bags, smuckle their spleen all day, no pain. Stick it on a record player, sold from boxes, 3 for a 5. I'm loose like Jagger while his mate wobbles. Walking to the mirror to admire, but still got it, he mumbles. A laugh and a smile, part of our bloodline. I would've swapped mine. Weaponized attitude, blue ball fast track, catalyzed wannabe, 2-ton bootlegs. Taking all the creamex, taking all the cream. In the market with angels, among us. In the market with fakers and hustlers. In the market, in the market. In the market with angels, among us. In the market with fakers and hustlers. In the market, in the market. That's why I pray, Lord, give me time again. Already feel some way, don't go back to gray. In the market, radiators on the legs and wheelie trolleys, plastic bags rotting in my hand like brown puff brakes. You shuffle through this crowd when you black moths upon a flame, till eventually you get where you were going. Blazing barbers in this hurdle clock, an ecosystem. Lightweight chrysalis coat with a hood on. People stripped of their dignity, and that includes me. Pockets of memories, can't take them away from me. In the market, I'm home. I feel a sense of belonging. Just a safari when I'm on my own. It's the people, blue chip. We get on with oddballs that may hold. In the market with angels, among us. In the market with fakers and hustlers. In the market, in the market. In the market with angels, among us. In the market with fakers and hustlers. In the market, in the market. That's why I pray, Lord, give me time or day. I already feel some way, can't go back to gray. Pockets of memories, can't take them away from me.